Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we will talk about our group work process for MGT340 Human Resource Management Group Report.
So let me explain about our process of preparing the report based on this Gantt chart. Firstly, I will explain our planning process based on the Gantt chart. In week 4, our lecture gives a briefing about this project, and during this period, we decided what company we want to interview, and we conduct background research on Happy Fish, which is the company that we have chosen to interview, and gather company information and also prepare for the interview questions. And then moving to the next step that we do, we focus on scheduling and interview. We start to contact the HR manager and finalize the interview date and time. In week 6, the interview session began. After the interview, we execute our tasks and start working on our report. We work on a report until week 10, and finally the completed group report was submitted on the scheduled submission date.
So before we start our project, the first thing that we do is we need to select our group leader. So we decide to choose our group leader by using wheel of names. So we choose this method because we want to choose our group leader fairly without any arguments. So first, we just write everyone's name in the wheels, and then we spin randomly, and in the end, our group leader has been chosen, that is Muiz, and everyone agree to it without any conflict, so we can work as a team and improve our teamwork.
Next, I will explain the task dissemination process in our group. During our first group meeting, we discussed the overall requirement of the assignment and identify all the tasks that need to be complete. The tasks divide based on each member's skills, strength, and interest. This approach helps us ensure a fair distribution of workload and allow each other to contribute effectively to the group project. This slide shows how the tasks were implemented among group members. Members who were strong in research were assigned to handle data collection and content development. Those who were proficient in writing were responsible for report writing and editing, while creative members prepared the presentation slides and visuals. The group leader played an important role in coordinating tasks, monitoring progress, and ensuring that all deadlines were met. So basically, the first slide explains how tasks were planned and allocated, while the second slide focuses on the actual roles and responsibilities of each member.
I will explain the issues and problems that our group faced during the completion of this project. The first major challenge we faced was difficulty in finding a suitable company to interview. We didn't have direct connections with any of the companies, so it was quite challenging to approach organizations. Besides, we were also unsure about the proper way to contact companies and request their participation professionally. This caused some delays at the early stage of our project. The second issue was our lack of experience in working with external parties. Most of us were unfamiliar with formal communication etiquette, such as writing professional email and also conducting structured interviews. This made us feel nervous and uncertain when communicating with the company representative. The third problem was overlapping deadlines from other subjects. Because of multiple assignments at the same time, it is hard for some members to fully focus on this project. This affected our time management and required better coordinate within the group. Next, we also faced scheduling issues. Aligning the availability of the company representative with our group schedule was quite challenging. There were instances where meetings had to be postponed or rescheduled, which slowed down our progress. Lastly, some group members initially interpreted the assignment instructions differently, especially regarding the report structure and also the interview questions. This caused some confusion and required additional discussions to ensure everyone was on the same.
Hi, so I would like to tell you guys about our solution for our issue in this group project. So, for the first challenge, which is difficulty in finding a company to interview our solution, was to use personal network such as friends, family members, and alumni. We also contacted companies early and sent formal interview requests to increase our chances of getting responses. Next, to overcome the lack of experience in working with external parties, we researched professional communication and interview ethics. In addition, we practiced our communication skills within the group to build confidence before the actual interview. Another issue we faced was being busy with other assignments. To solve this, we created a clear group timeline and divided tasks properly. We also set internal deadlines earlier than the actual submission date to ensure smooth progress. Issue was another challenge we encountered during this project. To address this, we offer flexible interview methods such as online meetings. We also propose multiple interview time slots and use shared calendar to coordinate our schedule more effectively. Lastly, to avoid misinterpretation of instruction, we review the assignment guidelines together as a group. Wherever there were uncertainties, we clarify them with our lecturer or discuss them with our classmates to ensure everyone had the same.
For my contributions, I play a role in leadership by coordinating group tasks and ensuring everyone stay on track. I also contribute through teamwork by cooperating well with group members and supporting each other through the project. Lastly, this project helped in my personal growth as I improve my communication skills and gain more confidence during discussion.
Hi, my name is Azmi, and for my contribution, I would like to share my experience from leadership skills, teamwork, and my personal growth. For the leadership skills, I think in this project, I help to keep the motivation for everyone and being positive for the group, and I think I try to encourage everyone that we can doing this project and get it task done by the time of the due. And next, from the teamwork, I learned to respect others members' ideas and keep supporting their idea, and I try to help them whenever they needed me. And for my personal growth, I think this project helped to boost my confidence to communicate with others and share my idea more openly to others members.
My name is Nurbaidiri, and for me, these group assignments allow me to reflect on my development in terms of leadership, teamwork, and personal growth. During this group project, I learned that responsibility and initiative are important leadership qualities. By taking responsibility for my tasks and showing initiative in contributing ideas and supporting my teammates, I realized that leadership is not only about leading others, but also about being reliable and proactive. In terms of teamwork, this experience taught me the importance of effective communication and collaboration. I became more aware that clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings and strengthens cooperation among team members. Working with different individuals also helped me become more flexible and respectful of different opinions. And personally, this project helped improve my confidence. I become more comfortable expressing my ideas and participating in discussions. As a result, I feel more confident in working in teams and handling future group assignments. Overall, this experience contributed positively to my personal and professional development.
For my contribution to this project, I developed my leadership skills by actively participating in group discussions and completing the tasks assigned to me on time. In terms of teamwork, I maintained good communication with my group members and cooperated well throughout the project to ensure everything ran smoothly. Lastly, this project contributed to my personal growth. Balancing this assignment with other academic responsibilities helped me become more responsible, organized, and better at managing my time.
From my contribution and self-reflection, I believe this project has helped me grow both academically and also personally. From my contribution, I gained experience in coordinating discussions and also reminding group members about the deadline. This helped us ensure that the tasks given were completed on time and the group stayed organized. In terms of teamwork, I became more passionate, understanding, and more open to other members' opinion. Working in a group taught me to listen carefully and also respect different viewpoints. Personally, this project has helped me step out of my comfort zone, especially when communicating with external parties. It improved my confidence and communication skills, which I believe will be useful in the future.